Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are back with another exciting passive income project called as Toasted AVAX. So we got an update from Baked Bean teams that they have launched another miner which is called as Toasted AVAX. So the synopsis behind this project is you are going to invest your AVAX from your wallet and you will get some toast in return, and then you just need to rebake them or retoast them, and as a profit you can eat toast and that will be coming to your wallet as AVAX. So we will review their project from start to end. So let's get the video started. So if you open their main page, the website is toastedavax.com. The link will be in the description. So you will be coming on the main page. So it says Toasted Avax with a nice icon. The guy is smiling. The Avax reward pool with the Toastiest daily reward. And how those rewards work is, so you will be getting daily return of 5%, which will be in form of AVAX, APR of 1825% a year, and dev fees of 3%. Once you will connect your wallet, so you will be getting a referral link, and you can earn 7% of AVAX posted by anyone who uses your referral link. So if we scroll down to the end of the page, we can see a snow trace contract address. It will take you to a new page which comes here, and that's the contract address which is on AVAX blockchain. And if we see, like, from last 2 or 3 minutes, most of the people are buying Hex and Hatch X. So this means like investors are piling up on the project. If we talk about how much AVAX has been invested as of now, so as we can see, like, it's 12,396. The overall revenue, or overall how much people have already invested in the project, is 854,511.36, which is a very big amount. Now, the reason why all of sudden, or from couple of hours, why this project has boosted much, because this project has been developed by Baked Bean team. And as you know, Baked Bean has been like running very successfully from last couple of months. It has been very stable project, and I've already made a video. You can watch that video. I'll be leaving the link in the description, and you will be seeing that on your top of the screen right now. And if we go back to the main page, so this is their official Telegram link, which you can join from here. And if I open their Twitter page, so we can see something here. So currently 114 followers, and they are following one, and they joined on April 2022. They don't have much tweets on their page because the project is still undergoing. And that's the ethos audit. They have already done their audit. Now let's look into a bit of FAQs, and I'll also show you how you can buy this project in the end. So let me open the FAQs part, and if I zoom my page a bit, so it says, what happens when I toast AVAX? So when you toast AVAX, your AVAX gets locked into the Toast AVAX smart contract, and rewards will be given to you up to 5% daily return every day. So the initial seed amount which you are investing will be locked. Can I take my initial AVAX back? Over time, toasts are not bought. Toasts are toasted, therefore they cannot be sold. Once toasts are toasted, they work for you indefinitely, providing you with an unlimited amount of AVAX at the starting rate up to 5% daily. So your seed amount will be locked forever, and you will be getting your profit back as a ROI. How much is my fees? So there is a small 3% dev fees in order to pay for marketing cost and developing the Toast AVAX ecosystem. When is the best time to toast AVAX? So always, no matter when you hire miners, you will begin to return a daily profit of 5%. How often should I retoast compound? We recommend that you compound at least once per day, because there is a fee as you wish. So how is toasted AVAX sustainable? Toasted AVAX are sustainable by continued community support, just as every other crypto coin, token, or project. The difference is that since there is no token, there is no price stamp as long as toasts are baking in the contract, so there will be rewards. That's good. How to use Toasted AVAX on my phone? You can either use an app with a D app browser and choose the MetaMask injected option, or simply use any browser that you choose or wish to wallet connect. That can be your MetaMask or Trust wallet. Is it better to retoast or eat toast? So by design, retoasting will be more profitable than eating toast in the longer run. which works for most of the project. How do referral work? So once your AVAX chain wallet is connected to Toasted AVAX website, you will notice your referral address appears at the bottom of the page. When a new user hire miner, after clicking your personal referral link, the contract will send AVAX value equal to 7% instantly to your rewards. Be smart, use it to toast AVAX and build yourself a stream of income. When was it launched? So it was launched yesterday on 27th of April 2022. Now let's go back and connect our wallet and we will see how we can buy this particular project. So if I click on connect, and the wallet will be connected in the back end as always for the security purposes. So once you will be connecting your wallet, it will ask you to allow that contract address to be connected. And once your wallet has been connected, so once your wallet will be connecting, so we can see currently there have 1,24,000 of AVAX. So currently my wallet has 1.21 AVAX and that's your toast. So when I want to buy their project, so let's say if I want to buy it for let's say 10 AVAX, so I just need to click on toast AVAX. I will be getting a link or I will be getting a pop-up window in my wallet which will say approve that transaction, and there will be a gas fees will be charged in AVAX. Now if I scroll down a bit, so you can see there is a referral link here. Earn 7% of the AVAX toasted by anyone who uses your referral link. So just follow this link and share it with your friends or your family and ask them to use your referral link. So by that, if any of your friend or family is investing, so you will be getting 7% of their AVAX toasted by everyone. So that's a good way to like stream your income and the profit which you will be getting from this referral link. So just make sure that you retoast it so that you can earn more stream of income. The best algorithm for this project is again 6/1 strategy. So after every 24 hours, so just retoast your profit, which is like you need to repeat this process for 6 days, and on the seventh day, click on Eat Toast to take your profit out. So that will and by this way, there is a guarantee that you will be getting at least 5% of your profit from this project. So guys, that's it from my today's video. So please stay tuned for updates on crypto, stocks, and forex, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.